Experience the innovation of Cleanroom. From your idea to completely built with HVAC design concept and world-class technology from European manufacturers. We bring you the reality. We dedicate our experts to work with clients in all steps from the beginning until the end. With our 10 years of experience in cleanroom building, along with new technology of the HVAC system, we aim for the most energy saving, maximizing efficiency at the same time. To comply with the PICs and cGMP global standards, which are important for designing and building in the pharmaceutical industry, we can also provide DQ, IQ, OQ documents to support this concern as well. The efficient design of the mezzanine floor is one of the most critical points for optimization. We ensure the space will be fully utilized with a customized AHU from a German leading brand and in-house design innovation. We believe that energy saving is the heart of the payback period for each project and every project. The more energy that can be saved, the less expenses or operating costs that project owner has to pay. Duct design requires a testing method per S-Magna Seal Class A standards to ensure there is no air leakage and/or causing energy losses. Also, the thermal insulation with low thermal conductivity is used to reduce energy loss from inside and outside heat exchanging. For more accuracy of humidity control, we use a desiccant wheel built in the AHU. In addition to save the energy in the air conditioning system, we reduce the chiller capacity by reducing heat load basis by using total energy recovery wheel or air-to-air heat exchangers, which use exhaust air to pre-cool the outside air or fresh air to improve the energy efficiency at the maximum. Since the HVAC system is the heart of clean room design and construction, Clean Air Innovation is proud to use our local and global experiences in making the best standardized clean room that match with your budget and your requirements. Clean Air Innovation Co. Limited.